Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, remove any case and screen protector and set the iPad on a clean, flat surface to avoid pressure points. If the glass is wet, power it off and dry it first. Water can short components. Next, force restart the device. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold power until the Apple logo. This clears many software freezes. Once done, make sure you see the boot animation. If touch works briefly, back up important data immediately. You now isolate the cause. Use multiple apps and the lock screen to confirm whether touch failure is system-wide. If it seems software-related, connect to a computer, put the iPad into recovery mode, and update or restore via Finder or iTunes. Updating preserves data when possible. While connected, watch for erratic behavior. Simultaneously, inspect the chassis for swelling or separation. A swollen battery can press on the display and cause dead spots, which requires hardware service. You finish by choosing repair or service. If an update or restore did not help, the digitizer or display assembly is likely faulty and should be replaced or handled by Apple or an authorized technician. Before ordering parts, run a professional diagnostic or use a calibrated touch tester to confirm the fault, because replacements vary by model. If you must wait, use assistive touch as a temporary input method. If repair stalls, one key tip: test with a known good screen to verify the digitizer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.